Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make change or adjust the screen brightness on your Sharp Smart TV. Okay, to go to the brightness setting, you will see this logo on the screen here. And if you turn on the TV on the first time, you need to press this home button once time. Okay, for example, when you turn on the TV, you will see the black screen like this, and after that just press the home button, and now press the upper button once time, and now you will select the setting, select on it. Okay, and the brightness setting is on the top manual here, and to select the brightness you just press the right button and you will go to the video setting. After that you can just select the brightness setting, and for example now I may change it to the maximum 100, and to confirm it you just press back. Okay, and let's check again. On the other hand, if your remote control have this setting button, you can just press direct on it, and then it will bring you to the TV setting. Okay, and now you will see the brightness setting is set to 100. Also, you can choose the built-in mode. Just select the picture mode, and after that you will see some setting pop up. You can choose the cinema, and the setting is already adjusted for your category: sport, vivid, high bright, or standard. For example, now I choose standard. And if you want to set by your own, so just select the user setting, and now you can make change the contrast, saturation, sharpness, and another setting. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video. I hope you got the point of how you can make change or adjust the screen brightness setting on your Sharp Smart TV. And now if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And bye bye and have a nice day.